how to run Google Ads campaign for YouTube. Welcome guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to run Google Ads campaign for YouTube. As you can see, I'm at Google Ads homepage, and from there we want to click on New Campaign. Again, New Campaign. Here you can choose your objective. As you can see, we can choose for sales, leads, ad promotion, but you want to click on Create a Campaign without a Google Guidance. So we click on that. Since we want to do it on YouTube, we click on Video. As you can see, it says reach viewers on YouTube and get conversions. So we click on that. Select a campaign subtype. You can click on get views or efficient reach, target frequency, non-skippable in-stream, drive conversions, ad sequence, audio. But we want to click on get views. So we click on that and then we go to continue. After that, you can give the campaign name. Let's make a campaign for Starbucks, for example. You can only choose maximum CPV or cost per view. Here you can put in the maximum budget. If you click on here, you can have two options. One, your daily budget, or the total campaign budget. Let's say we put it on 15. Below you can enter the start date and an end date. You can choose for 2 weeks or you can select a date. Let's see the end of the month. Here you can see the networks. You don't have to do anything about it. It's correct as it stands. Here you can select the locations you want to target your ad. You could choose all countries and territories, or you can enter another location. For now, we'll click on all countries and territories. Here you can select the languages that your customers speak. So you could say, I want all languages, or maybe just only German or English or Spanish. Here you can add videos related to your video ad to help increase engagement. For now, I'll leave the option open. Here you can create your ad group. You can do that, but you can also skip it. If you want to create an ad group, you can put in all the information about the ad group. So you can put in a name and about the people, the demographics, audience segments. So let's say we click on demographics. We only want to target males, for example, from the age 25 till 65. And the income, we'll let it be as it stands. So we can go back. Here you can put in keywords, topics, and placements. And then we got, I think, the most important part, your own video. Make sure you have uploaded a video on YouTube, or if you don't, you could really easily create one via these steps. But for now, I'll enter the link. And then they ask you to select a video ad format. I'll choose a skippable in-stream ad. And as you can see on the right here, you have the example on how it's gonna look. You got the same link, and if it's correct, opposites automatically. Here you can choose if you want to call to action or not. With some more options. If you want, you could add a companion banner. For now, we'll skip that. And give the ad a name. Let's say just Starbucks, since we're doing it for Starbucks, for example. Then you want to enter the maximum CPV or cost per view bid. That means how much are you willing to pay maximum for just one click. For now, I'll enter €1. And as you can see on the right, they calculate automatically your estimated performance. You can see the number of views they expect, impressions, average CPV, budgets spent, and the unique reach. If you've checked that and you're satisfied with it, you can click on Create Campaign, and then you've made your own Google Ads campaign for YouTube. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.